give us 22 minutes, we'll give you the world.
Connecticut.
Wednesday News Time, 10:37. Good morning. I'm Michael O'Neill.
Power 96 FM.
6. Oh, power. 11-year-old power lady. Yeah. Don't play for pay. $500. Did you say power dollars? Power dollars. Tickle your tummy, take the lid out of your pocket, and make you feel like powerized. Refreshed. We live. We power. 96. You walked in.
Newsburg 95. Good afternoon. It's 3:21. Good to be with you. I'm Tom McNamara. And from Michigan Emergency Patrol, we've got a problem out there on the westbound Ford Freeway. Good afternoon. I'm Byron McGregor, keeping you on top of the world.
WWJ Detroit.
Tired of your shows such as penile implants? Can't get it up, huh? Let's get off sensational matters. That makes society worse than it should be, especially those dildos and the bedroom toy shows. I would only ask Mr. Dugan next time to send me a letter that fits on my toilet paper roll, and then we can make some use of his particular comments.
John, this is Mary. This is my third time caller to you.
Your third time?
Uh-huh.
Okay, when you call the fourth time, don't tell me, okay?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Anyway, well, how come?
Well, because you've called enough. I like you. You're a regular, and just don't tell me how many times you've called.
Oh, well, anyway, I like your producer, too, this Mar.
Yeah, I know. He likes you, too.
And the song about your first wife coming home? Oh, the bitch is back. So I'm fine.
All right.
Okay, you're from Buffalo, Gary, originally,
That's right.
Which I am.
Grew up listening to you.
You did not.
I did. Don't believe. You're much older.
I worked one station there. Did you really?
Yeah, WWOL. I put an extra W in for you.
Yeah, I was Guy King.
You were.
This is Gordon Kincaid, 1990 News. Hickory Dickory Doc, the Z has brought back the jocks. Radio station Z95.5 is bringing back the best bygone biggies to blast your brain with stacks of wax. Many of the DJs taking part in the reunion are now out of the biz, and with good reason. The aging adolescents and hairless has-beens are bringing back memories of drive-in dates, record hop hickeys, and frustrated young newsmen who are always being told, I'm not that kind of girl.
That's nice. Jim Oakes, that's right.
That's right.
Sort of our...
Sure, my sound-alike.
That's right.
My clone.
And your driver, didn't he just go to pick you up at the hotel?
He went to pick me up. Yeah, we had a great conversation, all one-sided, all the way here. Hi, Casey. Hi, Jim. All right.
Dueling Casey's again.
I said, this is the number 1 street we turn on. Going down 2 notches to number 3.
I gotta tell you.
You know, I'm not really a disc jockey, nor do I claim to be one. I'm just waiting for, like, that big gig to open up as a waiter, okay?
Marilyn is going to stick around until somebody...
We get a winner.
Right.
Okay, but not past a certain time, because, guys, I got to go home to bed.
Yeah, to bed at 9:15 at night.
I
Marilyn's...
do.
Okay, that's when we start the party.
Elvis Duran.
Here we go, taking off on another non-stop power play with Salt and Pepper.
Power 104.
Go!
Chris Kelly.
No. No. You're not getting this right.
Elvis Duran.
Okay.
Power 104.
You guys drunk or what?
Power 104 with Scott Sparks. My underwear's on too damn tight. I say, I am out of here. We got the power mix next. Steve Idell gonna slide into your box. Thank God it's the weekend. I'll see y'all Monday. Right now, why can I be you?
Serving the capital city.
It's 8 o'clock on Tallahassee's winning hit music station, where the end of the summer takes you on a hot cruise just minutes away. This is Charlie Hackett in another hour of at least 9 great songs in a row.
Yeah.
Notice how when you hit a post, you can't just take your headphones off. You have to rip them off your head and slam the microphone off. Watch yourself. You'll see you do that. You do that. I know you do.
We're going to go back 5 years ago.
Oh, gee.
At this exact moment, 6:08, 1983, when this radio station signed on the air. It's 8 minutes after 6 a.m., August the 2nd, 1983. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, radio station WHTZ signs on the air. WHTZ is owned and operated by Malrite Communications and broadcast at a frequency of 100.3 megahertz. Signing on the air, this is WHTZ FM. It's time to wake up.
It's 18 before 8 o'clock.
Time to get up, get out of bed. Fill your cups and get ahead with Wixie 1260. Super Radio.
Yes, this is the way it was on Wixie 1260 when you talked in the tunnel. This is called reverb, and this is what they used when you were on the air. Lou King Kirby, how are you?
Hi, John. I'm very good. How you doing?
I'm just... Maybe we're overdoing it just a little here.
May I have your attention, please? We are here to announce that the show is over.
Mike O'Brien of the KLUC, #1 hit music station. Morning Flakes is a Merrill here, Mark Dixon television production. In association with Useless Radio Incorporated, Mr. O'Brien's Gowns by Bonwood Teller. Julio the Gardener does himself. Some of our party contestants and Wixing victims will receive a lifetime supply of gay rice-a-roni, the San Francisco treat. Portions of the program not affecting the comedy value have been edited for broadcast and saved for another morning. Ashtrays emptied by Art Wallow. Talent circumcisions by Rabbi Jerry Dean. Generally managed by Keith Gerst. The price of the prizes have been rounded off to make us sound big time. Randy was speaking almost incoherently through a pair of John Marovick's old socks. Stay tuned for Days of Our Lives following next on most of this same station.
Time to say goodbye to all our time.
Who were the circumcisions by?
We simply just can't say goodbye, can we? No. Big thing. Big stuff.
It's a Mickey Mouse show, don't you think?
See you real soon.
This is Vegas, babe.
Just can't
walk out.
I can't talk that fast.
Because we like you.
Breakfast Flakes on KLUC.
Come on!
Well, I guess it would be nice.